So this is part one of my video. We put the Super Chevy up on the Mexican lift, and as we're jacking it up, I noticed this wheel right here is a little funny. Don't look normal to me. I'll be back with part two of the video. So, the standard cross from China did not fit the lug nuts, so we had to use this ratchet and socket combo with this extra fancy cheater pipe, courtesy of Oil City Valve. So, took off my dust cover, cotter pin still there. So it's anyone's guess at this point. But the beauty of the GM caliper is that this wheel should have fell off, but your brake system held it on. We'll be back with part three of the video. So we got the tools to take off the caliper. Hung it off to the side there. And I've always done things the way Dad taught me how to do it, the right way. But you know, I went to work at this shop called Classic Cars of Houston, and they taught me to do it their way. And this is my first time in 39 years of my life, 30 of those years as a mechanic, that I experienced total bearing failure on the outside bearing. There's all the corn right there from the bearing laying inside. So, stay tuned for part 4 of the video. So, what had happened is this washer usually has a tab that rides as a groove. Eventually got sheared and kept working the nut until it hit the cotter pin, which saves lives.